Naira's art, a vision so bright, bringing colors to the canvas, illuminating the night. With every stroke, she ignites a flame. Inspiration flows, never the same. From sculptures to paintings, she makes them fly. Open the eyes, reaching for the sky. She's the muse that inspires, the spark in the dark. With Naira's art, we leave our mark. Crafting our souls' rays with passion and grace. In every creation, we find our place. Spiritual movies that touch the deep, awakening spirits, making the heart leap. Naira's magic, craft with care, transforming creations everywhere. A journey through art, a powerful quest. Naira's touch, simply the best.